If you want to free up storage space on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then what you can do is, first of all, we're gonna go to settings, and then over here in the settings we can go to storage. Over here we have the summary of our storage. We can see the list of different categories and how much space they take. So you have the general idea of what occupies most of the space, so you can decide what you want to do with it. For example, you can find trash, so if you have removed something, there is a high chance that it is still being held in the trash for a month before it is actually removed forever. So you can go, for example, to trash in order to find all those things, and you can decide what you want to do with them. You can also do the same thing with the SD card, so if you remove something that was on the SD card, you can switch over here. So of course we can select and then confirm that we want to delete. Besides that, of course, we also have other categories, like for example games, as well as apps and so on. So for example, if you feel like you have too many videos or something, then you can tap on each of these categories in order to open in the Files app by Google. There we go, and then you can decide what you want to do with them. So you can, for example, press and hold in order to select something over here, and you can select, of course, multiple things at once, and then you can remove them. Keep in mind, once again, that they will be most likely sent to trash first. There is also the Smart Cleanup option, which allows you to avoid the fragmentation of your storage. So you can visit this option from time to time, like once in a while, in order to see if you can do anything about it. But generally speaking, in order to free up space, you need to decide what you actually can remove, what you don't need to use anymore. So you can use the Files app in order to manage your files. There is no automation that could suggest you what could be removed, except for, I think, the unused apps. So if you go into apps setting in the settings of your phone, then you should be able to find unused apps, and after some time, if you don't use a certain app, then it might be listed over here. So then you have the idea of what you can potentially remove. But that is essentially it. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!